Hi guys, welcome to this video. So this video is basically my village vlog. In this video, I'm going to show you the village life we have in Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, and the reason why this village is called Jeena, the historical place. So let's get started. Firstly, we're going to talk about the religious aspects of this village called Jeena, where the history is hidden. So follow me. This temple behind me is a beautiful architecture which is the main temple of this village Jeena, whereas this temple is dedicated to Lourdes Durga. Talking about the historical relevance of this temple of Lourdes Durga is that this goddess was gifted to the village people from Raja Jubbal. Going deep onto the history, once upon a time when Raja Jubbal's son was missing, he was found at this place Jeena, and in return the Raja gave Lourdes Durga for prosperity and well-being of this village. Talking about the second historical relevance which is hidden at the same place is this historical well. The water never dries here and no one knows where it comes from. Whereas this water since long back is being treated for throat infections and many other throat diseases. So let me take you inside. Opening this door is that easy because we have a very unique way to open it. This is a lock which is there since history, and I'll take you inside. So this is where the well is. So I'll have to use a flashlight to show you guys. Guys, this is the historical well and we have the water deep inside, and you take it out. As you can see how long is this rope and this water is so deep. Okay, I got it, I guess. So this is the water from the well, and trust me guys, the taste of this water is very different and it is used for many things. And the third thing which we have in the same campus is this ancient temple which is here since ages. You can have a look on the architectural beauty which is created that time. So that is it about the historical and the religious relevance of this village. Now let me take you to the village life. So guys, officially welcome to village Jeena, and you can have a look around and see how this village is surrounded with natural beauty. So at this place we have the architecture at one side and the apple orchards at the other side. Real village side. Now I will show you my house in this village. Welcome to Mehta House. The best thing about this village house is that whenever I sit outside, I get to see a very beautiful natural scenery. So I'll take you to the orchard area. Here we have my two very favorite kids of the village. Please meet Kanti and Jeevan. Hello, Guru. Thank you. I'm Gapo. Baba, black sheep. Have you any? So guys, welcome to my orchard. I know this is a very wrong time to show you people how orchards look because the apple season has just ended. But I just wanted to show the village beauty and the travel between the orchards. So these all are apple trees. Our apple season just got over, so now we have started the process again. And you can have a look around. So guys, अब हम village में ही थोड़ा ऊपर जा रहे हैं so that I can show you a better view of the beauty. Meanwhile, I want to introduce you to the cameraman who's helping me to make this vlog. Please meet Aniket. Hi Aniket. And you can see behind Aniket, it's so beautiful. Aniket, तू ही beautiful. You be beautiful.
Champion. So as you can see, it's sunset time. I just love this portion of my village so much.
So guys, now we have reached one of my favorite locations where I like to sit and just enjoy this beauty behind. And this is Senior Secondary School, China. I think a lot of us have learned our driving sessions in this ground. And this is my favorite view. Dense forest, and once we have trekked this whole forest to the top and came back from there. So guys, this is another place. now मैं कभी बहुत because वहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर village का view and nature view आता है. So this place is basically called in Pahari language Kharoi.
Yes, it's so pretty. यहाँ से पूरे गांव का view दिखता है. Like we sit here for us and we just enjoy this view. Now
natural resource जिसे कि बावड़ी बोला जाता है. So back in time when there was no digitalization, like in today's world we have a lot of digital sources. Like whenever someone dies, in their memory we keep a picture at home with their birth date and their death date. But जब पुराने ज़माने में ये सब नहीं था, बावड़ी के पास people used to create these carvings on the stone, as you can have a look inside. So every family has their own place like this in the village. And you can see जिसकी भी death होती थी उसके shape में sort of like something matching shape में उसकी carving की जाती थी. And this was kept here in the memory. And it's here because this water is pure. It's a natural resource. And this is considered as one of the most purest places. So guys, this is where we collect grass for our animals, cows and all for winter. And we have stopped at this location to show you a very beautiful orchard view. As you can see, these are all apple orchards from there to here.
with the beauty behind.
And now we are going to the village where we have the government tourist house. And I must say that is one of the most beautiful place. हमने वहाँ पे I don't know कितनी ज़्यादा picnics करी है. What all fun we have done there. So come along. In between this dense forest, we have one of the beautiful locations in this village, which is the forest department rest house. And what I've heard about these rest houses are like कि जहाँ पे भी ये rest house होता है, that's the best and the most beautiful location. And yes, this is one. Come along. So we have had lot of picnics, lot of night outs at this place. As you can see, this rest house was constructed in 1921. Zoom on that, Aniket. ये 1921 में बना गया रेस्ट हाउस है. So basically guys, this is the new architecture. जो असली 1921 वाला रेस्ट हाउस था, that is right behind me. But the best part about this place is this beauty. Now I'll take you to the real rest house, which was constructed in 1921. So this is not totally destroyed, but we kids always come here. We have done a lot of chai and pakoda parties here. I would like to show you the architecture inside.
So this is totally destroyed, but this was the old rest house between the jungles and this beauty.
So guys, here we are at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Me and Aniket are planning to make more such videos and come back. Until the time, stay safe, keep smiling. Bye bye.